In a dramatic turn of events, Crystal Palace has taken a bold stand against UEFA and the Court of Arbitration for Sport (CAS), following a controversial ruling that denies them a spot in this season's Europa League. This decision comes on the heels of their impressive victory in the FA Cup, where they triumphed over Manchester City just a few months ago. The club's management is voicing their deep frustration, asserting that their hard-earned success should automatically guarantee them a place in European competition. However, they feel their merits have been overlooked due to regulations that seem to favor certain clubs, leading to an uneven playing field. The club's statement highlights their concerns over multi-club ownership structures, which they claim allow some teams to circumvent restrictions through blind trust arrangements. This raises questions about the fairness of the competition, especially when contrasting their own independent status with the alleged informal agreements of other clubs. Furthermore, Crystal Palace has taken aim at the CAS process itself, criticizing its lack of transparency and the denial of critical witness testimonies. They argue that this flawed process is engineered to produce outcomes that are not just, jeopardizing the integrity of European football. As a direct result of the CAS hearing, Crystal Palace finds themselves relegated from the prestigious Europa League to the Conference League, where they'll now face a challenging playoff against either FC Midtjylland or Fredrikstad. The stakes couldn't be higher as they aim to reclaim their rightful place in European football. This saga raises significant questions about the governance of the sport and the need for reforms to ensure that meritocracy prevails over favoritism. Crystal Palace's situation is a stark reminder that the battle for fairness in football is far from over, and their fight for justice could set a precedent for clubs facing similar challenges. As the dust settles, fans and clubs alike will be watching closely to see how this unfolds and what it means for the future of football governance in Europe.